How to add chat on Wix. So for this, we are going to focus on the left hand side, and we want to scroll down from this menu until we see communications. So just hover over it, and we want to click on chat here. So for this, it will show us the Wix chat. We can engage with site visitors, we can collect leads, and we can set up automated replies. So if we just click on Get Wix Chat, it's going to open up the website editor for us. I'm going to show you how you can set this up as well. So just give it some time to load up right here. Okay, so it will take us to the Wix app market, and we can add this Wix chat to our site. So once we have clicked on it, then it's gonna, as you can see, appear here in the right corner. Now we can set it up by clicking on settings. It's gonna look like this. So we can change the display, the design. We can upload our business logo. We can change the automatic response. So we'll reply as soon as we can. We'll reply within a few minutes. You can change it like this as soon as somebody texts us. And for the chat forum here, we can manage pre-chat we can manage pre-chat forum. I'm just going to open it up once more, and we can also set up automated replies by clicking on this manage automations here, and we can add auto reply to chat messages. So if we click on setup automation, then we can type out something. For example, when they ask a question, you can say something like, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Here you can add different chat channels, and you can add members chat. Here, if we just click on manage chat, it will again refer us to the same page which we just took a look at. So working hours, here we can set the different hours. So chat hours, it can either be 24/7, or you can have specific working hours, which you can edit if you check this. And then choose form fields. We can do name, phone number. You can add an offline forum as well as an online forum. So hope this helps you out. You can play around with this, set this up however you would like to your specific needs, and I'll see you next time.